We use the washing machine in MBL 3704. Please, before using the machine, make sure that the switch, which is labeled as washing machine, is on and there is a red light. Then you can open or access the washing machine by opening it like this. Load whatever you want to wash and push hard a bit. Here's the tray where you will load your detergent powder or liquid. Then you can select from the different programs you have. You can see the number of spins, the temperature of the water, and the time for this program. Each program has a different settings. So for example, if you want to wash something that is cotton, select cotton and then simply press play. And the machine now will work. If you want to stop, click on the same button again. The machine stopped.